Hello, peoples and persons. This is Dante from Dante's Derivatives. I got a real quick, short video for you today. I just want to show you guys python.org. So go ahead and open up a browser of your liking and type in python.org. And this is where you can download Python so you can follow along in the videos. Here's the download. Click on this docs portion right here. And you'll see that there's tutorials, there's module help. Later on, we'll learn about what modules are. They're essentially just large libraries full of tools that you can use to write your programs. Go ahead and click on this tutorial portion and start at 3.1 and just get a feel. Everything from that point is what we're going to be learning in our future videos. At 3.1, using Python as a calculator, this is about where we're at in our Python knowledge. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to program every day.